Hey, I just want to update everybody about the channel, some things you're going to see changing, and where to go if you want to keep up with the old homestead and the renovations that are going on there. So I had 3 channels. I'm bringing everything over here, and one of them was about renovating the homestead that's been in my family, well, my husband's family for 200 years. And there's a home on it that's almost 100 years old. We were originally going to be up there, and we did stay there probably for about 2 years, off-grid, majority. There was electricity, but water was not running most of the time. Sometimes electricity wasn't even running. So that's why you see some sun oven stuff and some basic self-sustaining things on this channel still. But my son and his bride and my new grandson are there now restoring it. So if you get the chance to search the Miller Haven, it's one word, Miller Haven, and yes, the word "the" is in the beginning. He's got a YouTube channel here where he's picking up where we left off. The house laid, empty for about a decade after I took hiatus for personal reasons. And yeah, but he's picking up where we left off. He's renovating, he's doing all kinds of stuff, turning it into a self-sustaining little homestead. And I think you would enjoy that if you were following my other channel. That would be a good option. I'm going to probably post this on that channel, so it might be redundant. Sorry. The other thing is you're going to see some of my podcasts coming over. Surviving on Shoestrings. To date, I put one out 6 days ago. I have almost 2,000 listeners already, and some great feedback in the comments that you might enjoy. So just want to let you know that that's there. Be sure to subscribe so you can hear new episodes. And there will be many more of those coming over as well, because the Blog Talk Radio that it was on before defunct. And so they're not in circulation. So now I'm finding a way to get them out there. You can also find them on iTunes, Spotify, etc. But just on YouTube here, 2,000 listens since it went up. Last but not least, I think you know me well enough by now. Some of you have been with me since I was 42 years old, 18 years ago when I started this channel. I'm not going to bother wearing makeup if I don't want to. Just, anybody wants to say something about it, I'm putting that out there as don't care. If I want to grab my phone, record something because I'm doing it, you're going to see me as I am. So just want you to know, 60 and all, this is it. So anyway, love you guys. Looking forward to connecting with you some more. Bye.